Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily turbo update. Today, I promise, under 10 minutes. We have some important stuff. I will show you this one. So guys, let's start this analysis. It's really important. It's really important. I promise, guys. Let's go. And here we are, starting really quick with CoinMarketCap. What's going on? The most coins are going up really nice. The most coins are in the green. Here you can see only Solana is going down a little bit. Dogecoin is going down a little bit. But look at Dogecoin, 22.6%, the pump from yesterday. Twitter was here a really big thing for Dogecoin, because Elon Musk tweeted something about Dogecoin. They will accept for Tesla merchandising Dogecoin, and this is a nice thing for Dogecoin. But now, guys, let's check the market dominance, and you can see the bad stuff is Bitcoin is going down with the dominance. We are in a little parallel channel to the upside. We saw a nice breakout of this downtrend channel of the little one, but we are going down again. For the moment, it's better to trade altcoins as Bitcoin. Fear and greed, 23 points. Yes, we have really big fear in the market. And if we're watching Tradingfees, we can see on the day we should sell, on the week we should sell, and only on 4 hour, 2 hour, and on the 1 hour we can buy. So the short time frame is telling us we should buy Bitcoin. The bigger time frame is telling us no, sell your Bitcoin. So let's move on. Today I will hurry up a little bit. I promised you under 10 minutes. This one is the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. What's going on? Yes, big downtrend channel. You can see it here. We're going down. Here, maybe we're building a button. Next, big wick to the upside, a buy position. Nice. Now the big question is, can we move higher or not? The nice stuff is here, this inverse shoulder head shoulder pattern. You can see the target to the upside is 45,000, but we have to break 43,400 first before we can break out to 45,000. The big thing is also we have here a lot of resistance for the moment. You can see here the Fibonacci line is a big fight for the moment. This one here, it's the 0.5 Fibonacci line. And yes, we are fighting here really hard with this Fibonacci line. So in my opinion, if we can break the Fibonacci, if we can break the trend line, we may see a next nice pump to the upside. Let me show you the next stuff. This is the golden cross and the death cross. For the moment, we see a golden cross here. We are in the golden cross zone. And you can see this green line. This is the big thing for the moment. That's the 50, the SMA 50 line. And we are fighting. We saw a nice breakout here. But after this, we are fighting since 24 hours with this damn green SMA 50 line on the 1 hour time frame. Now the big thing is, can we see the next confirming closing candles? Yes, for the moment we can see it. Here is a big spike to the upside. That's not so nice. We need to break out here more and more to the upside. We need to break 43,400. That's really important now. So yes, you can see a lot of resistance to the upside. Here is the next middle line from this nice parallel channel to the upside. We have Fibonacci line 0.66, 0.618, and the big target to the upside is maybe the end of the parallel channel, also 45,000, and maybe the next Fibonacci line 0.786 to the upside, and also a price about 45,300. So, okay, let's move on. Here's the ribbon band, and you can see, yes, we are fighting in the 1 hour time frame with the EMA 200. Here also a big thing for the moment. We are here over the EMA 200, but it's a really big fight. You can see it. The ribbon band is a green one. We have a long signal here. Yes, nice. Everything is okay. Let's check the RSI. We are here on 53 points. It's not so important, not overbought, not oversold. But let me show you something on the 1 hour time frame. We can make a line from here to the downside. And what can we see? We have to zoom in a little bit more. We need to watch this, guys. We are, for the moment, breaking out over this bad resistance line and retesting. We are retesting for the moment the resistance line. Guys, this is a bullish stuff. If you're watching the RSI, this is bullish because we are breaking out of the resistance. On the 4 hour time frame, we also are watching the RSI. We are not overbought, not oversold. Everything is fine. And we can draw a line here from the highest point to this point. And yes, you can see we have some space here to the upside. So why not? Why not to break up to 43,400? That's a really big thing on this point. But why not to break out here a little bit more? We can see a ribbon band. And the ribbon band fight is here on the 4 hour time frame. No confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band, but also no confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band. We're fighting perfect in the ribbon band. The big stuff is here. If you're watching the golden cross, you can see it here. We are here. If you're zooming out a little bit more and more and more, I can show you this. Here is the death cross. We are on the 4-hour time frame and the death cross zone. That's also bearish. And we have a really big way to the upside. Look at this. The red line here on the upside is the big resistance, and the green one here on the downside is the support. So we are fighting between both of these lines, and this is a big thing to watch on the day. And this is a really bad thing, guys. I showed you this yesterday. I made a really big video yesterday. We saw a death cross. Now the big thing is, will we go down more and more? Will we see 30,000? Yes, it's really possible, guys. We have the death cross here in the market. We are here fighting under the ribbon band. And I think it's now really dangerous for Bitcoin, guys, with this death cross here. So yes, of course, we have a little uptrend. Yes, of course, we have maybe an inverse shoulder, head shoulder with a nice target to the upside, 45,000. But guys, attention, the death cross is a bad sign. A laggy indicator, I know it, a slow indicator, but it is here and we need to watch it, guys. So, okay, before we end this video, now we are making 6 minutes. Okay, I will make today not too much, I promised you. Let me show you before we end the video the next stuff. Remove the drawings, remove everything, and let's check the Ichimoku. One bullish thing for the moment is that we are over the blue line. That's nice. 42,000, big support on the downside for the moment. This is the blue line, big resistance on the upside, 45,800. We are fighting between both of these lines on the daily. That's not so bad, guys. That's a bullish stuff. On the 4-hour time frame is now the biggest thing I would like to show you. This one, the multicolor Bollinger Band. What's going on with this? We saw a dump to the downside, a red color here, then a sideways going Bitcoin. And now in yellow, we are also going sideways. It's better as orange. It's better. The consolidation phase is better. And we need now a turquoise or a green or a blue color here. This would be the beginning maybe for the next or after next dump, guys. If not, remember, we have the death cross here and so on and so on. We will go down here more and more. And we may see the next color. This is red. And if we will see the red one, really big attention, guys. We may go down here more and more to the downside. So now you know some things for the day. I think that's the most important stuff for the day today. I promised you I will make it under 10 minutes. So I will end this video now with 7 minutes or maybe 8 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti. And very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Bye bye, guys. See you.